Kevin Kennedy here, just doing a one-year review for the Optrel Lite Flip Autopilot helmet. Had it, like I say, I've had it for 1 year, so I thought I'll put another review on here. I've discontinued using this helmet at work due to the fact that the auto-adjusting feature that they do not have manual adjusting on this helmet. It manually adjusts from 14 to 8, and for TIG welding it goes too dark. The shade goes too dark, so you can barely see what you're doing. If you're a deep pressure welder like myself, you can't see inside the pipe. The headgear hasn't changed since the 90s, so it would be nice to see a Optrel update the headgear, because all the other manufacturers have. So the headgear is the same. It's good quality, but again, they need to step it up again for the amount of money they charge you for these helmets. So anyway, I use it now at home. So I do TIG welding, MIG welding, and stick welding. For gouging it works good, for stick welding it works good. Just the TIG welding, not so good, and so I've retired it as my professional helmet.